I'm at the off-road games put on by Matt's Off-Road Recovery in Sand Hollow, Utah. In this video, I have a couple of clips of the Banana and the Dirt Lifestyle Buggy. It's day 2 of the event and we start out close to the beginning of the trail. You'll see that there's a Jeep going by with speakers on the roof. They have a couple of these going along with the competitors with ongoing commentary. There are several vehicles in the event and the commentators were going up and down randomly, so what you hear from the commentators doesn't always match up with what I'm showing in the video. Of course, the Banana is very impressive and most of this footage will be of it making its way through a tough obstacle, but I wanted to mention that the Dirt Lifestyle Buggy is really amazing. It has a Volkswagen diesel engine from a Jetta and Unimog axles. Very capable, very cool. It idled up through most of the obstacles that the other vehicles had to really work to get through. Great stuff here.
Getting into the good stuff. This is Double Sammy here now, and this trail is, I think, rated a 7 or an 8. I think there's some like 9 obstacles on this thing. Well, they're taking a hard line. Oh man. These guys were staying calm, collected. The second they start getting nervous and irritable with each other, it starts to create tension and then things really go bad. Caitlin's doing a great job telling them where to go. She's saying go nice and slow, nice and easy to see what the Banana does. It's looking like it wants to crawl. It's looking like it might do it. Is it gonna do it? Oh, he's so close. I think he might. Oh! Fortunately, it hasn't hit the door, just the rock sliders that they have built that are holding up great. But I think they're going to have to get in a little bit better position here to get up this obstacle. What are they going to do?
He's fine. We're fine.
The only thing that could happen worse is we catch fire, but nobody wants that to happen.
Now my battery's dead. Okay, yeah, just go ahead and take it.
So for this one, I get a microphone. This is super cool. Are you going to regret giving this to me? Okay. So for this obstacle, this one is super technical, and there is such a fine line. You have to have a lot of throttle control. And so you want your rear tire to come up here, and he will do a little bit. His front passenger tire is going to come up in the air a little bit, and it's going to feel terrible. I'm sorry, Kendall. It'll be fine. Don't worry.
You don't feel comfortable. I can always get the driver's seat for you.
I don't know if Robbie's a better driver.
That might be a lot worse of an idea.
Well, even if I damage it, I won't be mad about it.
The problem is finding somebody to repaint it if you ruin it.
Luckily, I have the secret paint road back in April. So, I think we're going to be fine.
When's yours getting painted?
All right, Robbie can't drive it on this. What are you feeling? You want to make the call?
I'm gonna say let's let Kaylin do it because she knows what she's talking about and I have no idea.
Right, Caitlin? Who wants to see Caitlin get on there? All right, I think it's time. Let's see what Caitlin's made of.
Come on, Lizzie!
A lot of pressure. All right, I guess I'm spot. That's kind of scary.
You want to hear drive passenger starboard?
Starboard? I don't think it's starboard.
It's got back up a little bit, get us some space.
Oh, but we love you anyway, Justin. Justin, if anybody doesn't know him, he is a stud. If it wasn't for that guy, this would not be what it is. This is man. All right, she's in the driver's seat, putting on her seatbelt. She got, does that look like Lizzie in the passenger seat? Right on. I like it. Okay, Caitlin, we've got a